Okay, hello, Mr. and Mrs. Paul. This is Hudson from Audio Projects, a division for new use paving and building contractors. Uh, so, I had an opportunity to sort of work out like a sketch of the paving project. All right, so what I would like to sort of point out is actually the whole area that we're gonna need to pave in square meters, and also the emphasis of the drain system, and also the gradient or the level of the pavement. Okay, let me begin by sort of introduce you to this diagram. Okay, for example, assuming that this is the shape of like the area, this is the boundary line, and this is the new wall that we've just reconstructed along this whole area, and this is the existing driveway. All right, labeled here, and this is the front of the garage, right? And these are like the partial, the paving around the house, and this is the stormwater that there is installed. All right, and yeah, so this is the new area that we gonna need to pave. This is the area that we've opened up. Okay, so the most important thing are the dimensions. Okay, so I broke it down. The area from where we're gonna end, where there is installed a drainage, the manhole, up to the end of the curve, it's 19.7 meters. And from there all the way to the end, where the retaining wall ends, it's 27.6 meters. And the width is 4.5 meters, although on certain sections it's probably wider than that, but it appears to maintain a width of 4.5 meters. Okay, so I could quickly take you to a spreadsheet. Okay. All right. So the drive. Okay. Length times the width, and then the square meters. All right. So we have a length of so. Basically, let me just add it up. We have 19, comma 6 plus 27, comma probably 6. Yeah, okay. All right. So it's actually this. All right. And we should have a length of a total length of 47 meters. So now if I would say 47 meters, 47.3 meters multiplied by a width of 4.5. So all in all, we might have an area of about 211, but we should probably base on a 250 square meters. Right, so yeah, 212 square meters. Right, that's the total entire area that we need to pave. So I will base my estimate on this total area of square meters. So basically, we are gonna need to treat the ground to apply some anti-weeds or some herbicides that kills the seeds of weeds. Alright, and after that we probably gonna need to really do a thorough leveling. Alright, and then we apply gravel. We're gonna try to make it as flat as possible. As flat as possible, as level as possible. Right. Alright, without any sort of sliding. But if we slide it, it's gonna be a very slight gradient, just to allow the water to flow, but it should be as flat as possible. as you emphasized. Okay, so and if you look at also these areas, this side, the paving around, or the patio, some of them were really affected during the excavation, so we're probably going to have to really reinstall them. All right. Yeah, so let me just go back to this diagram. Okay, on this drawing, I was trying to sort of, illustrate, or probably to stress that we need to make it as flat as possible, and then our drain system, we should sort of design this sort of a U-shaped drain system. This will be the partial, right? We're not gonna sort of so after that we should then start to gradually lower it, and then we pick up, so just to make a channel, just to form it like a channel, right? And here in front of the garage, this area from here where we're gonna put we're gonna build a new garage. It could be, we could do it now, or we could do it later when the garage is about to be built. We could lay a drain channel. We then top it with those galvanized sucres that are already at the house that we used as for steps, right? We top them on top. All right, and then it's gonna sort of be in front of this pavement. All right, I will explain further when on site. All right, so basically this is what I wanted to really emphasize. And also the existing pattern of the clay pavers on the house is actually what we call a basket weave pattern. So this is also like a basket weave pattern. So we also gonna install, we're gonna also lay them in a basket weave pattern just to match up with the existing pattern. All right, so yeah, that's the main issues that I wanted to address with the aid of an illustration, with the aid of a SketchUp. All right, so yeah, just to recap, the square meters are we're looking at about 215 square meters, or maybe we could say 220 square meters, because we're probably gonna need extra pavers to fix the damages along this patio. All right, and yeah, so okay, all right, thank you so much for watching.